Welcome to the virtual training course on quality control and inspection. In today's video, we will talk about Lesson 1: Introduction to Quality in Textiles and Garments. In this video, you will learn what quality means in textile and garment manufacturing, why quality is so important for both factories and brands, who is responsible for ensuring quality, some common issues that affect product quality, key quality terms you need to know, and the different types of inspections that take place in the factory. Let's get started. So, what does quality mean in the context of textiles and garments? In simple terms, quality means meeting the customer's expectations. This includes the look and feel of the fabric, the accuracy of stitching and fit, and how well the product holds up over time, such as durability and color fastness. But remember, quality is not just about the final garment. It's about every step of the process, from fabric selection to packing. For example, if you produce a shirt that fits well but has loose threads, uneven stitching, or fades quickly, it won't be considered high quality, and the customer will be dissatisfied. Why is quality such a big deal? First, it reduces returns and customer complaints, which saves time and money. Second, consistent quality builds your brand reputation and keeps customers coming back. Third, a strong focus on quality helps prevent waste and rework, both of which eat into profits. And finally, meeting quality standards is essential for international compliance and avoiding buyer penalties. Let's look at a real-world example. A global buyer once rejected an entire shipment of t-shirts because small holes in the fabric were discovered during final inspection. That led to delayed delivery, financial penalties, and damaged trust. Who's actually responsible for quality? The short answer: everyone. From the suppliers of raw materials to the stitchers, pressers, and packers. Everyone has a role to play. That said, quality inspectors play a key role. They're the eyes and ears of the QA process. They check samples, flag issues, and provide guidance to the team. Supervisors and production workers must also follow standard procedures carefully to avoid defects. Quality is truly a team effort. Let's look at some of the most common quality problems we see in textile and garment factories. Fabric defects, such as holes, stains, or incorrect colors. Stitching problems, like broken threads or skipped stitches. Wrong measurements, leading to poor fit. And finishing defects, such as loose trims or poor ironing. These issues might seem small, but when they affect hundreds or thousands of pieces, the cost can be huge. Here are a few key terms you'll hear often in QA. Inspection. This means checking a product to make sure it meets quality standards. Defect. Any problem or flaw that reduces product quality. AQL, or acceptable quality level, a method used to decide how many defects are acceptable in a shipment. QC, or quality control, the steps a factory takes to ensure products are made correctly and consistently. You'll hear these terms a lot in later lessons, so it's good to get familiar now. There are three main types of inspections you should know. 1. Raw material inspection. This happens before production begins. You check the fabric, trims, and other inputs to make sure they meet requirements. 2. In-process inspection. These checks happen during production, like during stitching or printing, to catch problems early. 3. Final inspection. This happens after production is complete, just before packing and shipping. Here's an example. If you catch a fabric shade variation during the cutting process, You can stop the defect from affecting hundreds of pieces, saving time, money, and your reputation. So, to wrap up, quality is everyone's responsibility. Understanding defects and inspections is the foundation of good QA. And focusing on quality at every step builds stronger products and stronger brands. In the next module, Principles of Quality Control and Inspection, we'll explore how QA systems are designed, the standards that factories follow, and who is responsible for what. Thank you for joining today's session. We hope you are enjoying this training course. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. See you in the next lesson.